Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of fall kitchen decor ideas. Get ready to bring the warm and inviting feel of autumn into your kitchen with some simple yet beautiful seasonal touches. Let's get started. To set the tone, let's start with a warm fall color palette. Colors like burnt orange, deep reds, and rich browns instantly create a cozy atmosphere. Adding these shades through small decor items or even dish towels and curtains can make a big difference. Next, let's layer in some texture. Cozy fall decor is all about the feels. Think woven placemats, knitted throws, and textured table runners. These touches bring warmth and make the kitchen feel like a true autumn retreat. Bring the outside in. Mini pumpkins, gourds, acorns, and even dried autumn leaves add a rustic, natural feel to your kitchen decor. Display them on open shelves or as a centerpiece for an organic and inviting look. Lighting makes all the difference. Use warm-toned pendant lights, add small candles, or string up some fairy lights to give your kitchen that soft, golden glow. It's perfect for creating a cozy ambiance, especially as the evenings get longer. Decor isn't just visual, scent plays a big role too. Try adding cinnamon sticks, apple-scented candles, or a simmering pot of spices on the stove to fill the kitchen with delicious fall aromas. It makes your kitchen feel like an autumn sanctuary. Seasonal tableware is an easy way to embrace the spirit of fall. Use fall-themed plates, mugs, and serving dishes to add a festive touch. Display them on open shelves or the kitchen island for a welcoming and seasonal pop of color. Greenery adds life, even in the fall. Choose small potted herbs, eucalyptus branches, or even wheat stalks for a rustic fall vibe. These elements add freshness while maintaining that cozy seasonal feel. For a personal touch, add some DIY decor. Make a homemade wreath, paint mini pumpkins, or create a fall-themed chalkboard with a festive message. It's a fun way to add personality to your kitchen while embracing the autumn season. And there you have it, a fall kitchen that's warm, inviting, and filled with seasonal charm. Whether you're hosting or just enjoying a quiet evening at home, these decor tips will help you savor the beauty of autumn right in your own kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in for more seasonal decor inspiration.